up everyone? My name is Kulasangeles and today I will be doing a DIY project for our dining room accent wall. I will be using wood panels, 1 by 2 by 10 feet. Some of the tools that I will be needing are brad nailer and a miter saw. I have it outside in the garage. The first thing you need to do is to measure how much wood you will be needing for this project. I'm using 1 by 2 by 10 feet. And the first step that I need to do is to put framing on the side. So without further ado, I will be doing the frame. See you! I forgot to mention that this is the design that we will be doing. That one. One thing that you should be using to even out the space is a spacer. So I just got a block of wood and I'll be using this as a spacer. As per the angle that I'm using for the miter saw, I'm using this 45 degrees, so it's easier for me to, for the joint to be together. So 45 degrees is what I'm using. The first lines at the bottom here is done. And I don't have any wood left. Plus we're on a lockdown, so I have to wait until I get the email telling me that it's ready to pick up. So I'm gonna rest for a while and I'll be back. Right now, I have attached all of the wood panels in there. We're still figuring out whether we want to put something in between and whether we will make it all white or we will gonna be using the natural wood finish. The next thing that I need to do is to cover up all the brad nail holes and some of the doors that were not snug. And I'm gonna put some Now that I've finished filling the holes from the brad nails, I will be sanding it using an orbital sander. This one is an orbital sander.
I want to paint.
I've finished sanding the wall. The next one we will be doing is we will be painting it white. Hopefully it turns out okay. I usually use gloves for painting, especially if it's an enamel paint because it's not water-based. I'm using Bear's clear eggshell enamel paint for There's a primer and paint in one. One more thing, don't forget to put plastic or cloth whenever you're painting, and also so that you don't paint over the sides, put some paint tapes. I've finished the first coat, now I'm doing the second coat. Painting is a lot. It's hard. Anyway. finished painting the second coat, but all the sides, the hard to reach sides and edges, I haven't finished doing it. So I will be using a paintbrush. I'm not sure if this one's gonna work, so I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it works. If it does, good. If it doesn't, I have to find another way to do it. Let's go.
Hi.
So we finished painting the wall white, and then the last step is, before cleaning up, is for us to put some caulk. See caulk?
Home. That's a weird
On the side. And for the wood panels that have spaces on them. So, let's go. I've just finished caulking all of the sides. The only thing that's left is for me to put back the socket plate in there, and then clean up. There you go. It took me around 2.5 days to finish all of this, and around less than $100 to finish everything. So overall, I'm happy with what the outcome is. I'm going to be doing a close-up picture and video later. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next DIY video. Thank you, Kate. Bye-bye.
I want